Gusto mong maging viral pero ayaw mo magbayad. Wait lang real talk tayo. Lahat naman tayo gusto ng millions of views online. But having a viral content isn't about being lucky. It's about being strategic. Kahit gaano kaganda ang video mo, kung hindi ka napapansin, sayang, di ba? Sarami ng videos online uploaded right now. How can we rise above the clutter? Again, this is where paid marketing comes in. Kahit maliit ang budget mo, with paid marketing, we are ensured that you are hitting the right audience. Sabi nga nila, organic reach is great, but it's a slow burn. Imagine kung may hinahabol kang benta, leads, or inquiries in the next 30 to 90 days. Hindi yan magagawa ng organic reach alone. With paid marketing, ito na lang imagine mo. It keeps your brand always on. Kahit na natulog ka, may pumapasok na inquiries, sales, or whatever, right? So again, if you want to have your content reach a wider audience, inquire our digital marketing services today, and we'll see you online. Don't forget to follow us for more digital marketing tips.